Hi there, welcome back. Today, we are going to discuss the law of attraction itself. If you are new to manifestation and want to live your dream life, you need to learn a few things that controls our inner and outer circumstances. The law of attraction is a universal law that is always with us, and even in this second, the universe or God, or how you want to call it, receives your thoughts and feelings and brings it back to your 3D reality. You can believe it or not, but every second, how you feeling yourself, it affects your life. Most people are thinking that the outer physical world affects our life, but our inner thoughts and feelings are creating our physical circumstances. Most people blaming their circumstances for their life. They hate their job, their relationships, etc. But they are the creators of their life. There are many laws in our world. You don't doubt the gravity, you can't see the air what you are breathing. You can't see the sounds. You can't see the warm or the cold. And I can enumerate a lot of things that we can't see, but these things are there and these things are present in our life. Law of attraction is one of these things. You don't have to believe it, but you should, because with it, you can live a dream life, or you can suffer your whole time while you are in this physical body. We are in a lucky situation that we don't have to guess it, because there was a lot of intelligent people that wrote down these laws for us. We only have to learn it and use it in our life. The word attract means that you are a non-stopping magnet who can attract things in the physical 3D reality. Whether your thoughts and feelings are good, you are attracting good things into your life, or if you have bad feelings and thoughts, you will attract bad things into your reality. And you can decide every second. For example, if you're hearing a sad song in the radio, you can easily tune it to another station where you can hear a happy song. And this is the key for manifesting. I know you can be in a difficult situation right now, but I can guarantee you, if you turn your thoughts and feelings into the positive side, your life will change. Now let's see a few feelings, so you can start thinking which side you are on mostly. Negative feelings you want to get rid of. Hate, anger, fear, worry, disappointment, etc. Everything that makes you feel negative. Positive feelings, the opposite that makes you feel positive, love, joy, excitement, gratitude, etc. Later, I will give you methods to turn your negativity into positivity, and you will see it is easy. When people are getting started with the law of attraction, a lot of them push their self into fear because they think they cannot think on bad things. You don't have to think like that. You just need to understand that you have to feel yourself good, and your thoughts need to be in the right direction. And it is easy. For example, turn on your favorite songs or pet your dog or cat, and now congrats, you started your way up. Sadly, nowadays the news and the journalism are turned into a negative factory. In the television, you can see brainwashing. Everything looks like a disaster, and these can make people into fear, and the result is that everybody is in chaos. You can hear deaths, car crashes, plane crashes, robbery, kidnapping, killings, and stop. So I'm telling you to stop watching and don't listen to these because these can affect your feelings, and you don't want that. You can inform yourself, but don't let it to pull you in. You can imagine the law of attraction as fishing. You throw in your fish food, and you can't see what is under the water. The fish food is your thoughts and feelings. When you fishing, you trust in your bait, and you patiently waiting for your fish to pull it out. This is how you manifest consciously. You put in good feelings and thoughts, and you need to trust the process what you can't see. Some of your manifestations can come in minutes like a phone call, and some of your desires need more time. So trust the process, and your desires will come into your life as you wanted. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. This is a very powerful quote. You will understand this later. Thank you for your time. See you at the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.